Hello everyone, it's Masunga John here this evening, and today I'm going to show you how to make fish fillet with butter, lemon, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. It's very simple but very yummy. Alright, here is the fillet. Okay, so now we are going to start preparing the fillet, and as you can see, it's very nice, cleaned, and it's ready. So we're gonna start by black pepper, rub it on the fillet, and then some salt, some little salt, right? Rub salt on it. Right, now it's ready. Now let's start frying. Right, so the oil is hot. Now let's start frying. Fry for a few minutes. And let's turn it to the other side. Alright, we'll check again on the other side. Okay, it's not burned. That's good. Okay, we turn it. Getting brownish now. Right, and turn it again so that it can cook on both sides. butter. Gonna make some sauce now. It's butter and lemon, so it's gonna be yummy. Right, so add some lemon first, lemon juice, some lemon juice, and should be done. Right. Looks good. Smells good. Right. Sunset is done. The sauce, lemon, and butter. Right, done. Sunset is the sauce we made, lemon and butter and lemon, the fillet. Yummy. So as always, please subscribe after watching this video, and this is what I made. Fish fillet. Alright, and please subscribe, like, comment and share. It's Masunga John, and bye for now.